Yo. So we're trying something new today. When I was launching the apps, I noticed that there was $2 peak pay on DoorDash, but only if I did earn by time. And I've never really done earn by time before, so I'm not sure what to expect, but I was convinced. So here we are. I got my first order. This is going to be for Seize the Bagel. It was 5 miles. I don't know the payout until I complete it, so I'll let you know by then. Morning.
Aaron F?
Yes.
Perfect.
Thank you. Oh, okay. That's not working how I thought it was going to be working. I thought it was going to be $2 on top of every order that was earned by time. But they're actually taking that $2 and dividing it up by the same rate as the earned by time. So it is not as good as I thought. Very complicated for no reason. The total ended up being $8, by the way. And I got the next order right away. This is for Mr. Maple Donuts. This one was 4 miles. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Okay, so the total earned by time rate at the moment with the peak pay on is $18.50. So as long as I'm active on orders for the whole hour, I'll be making a guaranteed $18.50 with tips on top. That's how that works. But because no one order is taking the full hour, it's being divided by how many minutes it actually took to complete. Like I said, super complicated for no reason. Total for that one was like $8.50. Finally got an order. This is for Napa Auto Parts. I'm not sure what I'm picking up because the item is just numbers and letters. I have no idea what this is.
There, how are we doing today?
Just this?
Just that.
Thank you. Don't know if I mentioned this, but this is going 4.5 miles. Any mechanics out there? What is this? Just by looking at it. I know what it is because I read the packaging, but let me know if you guys know it. This place is closed.
Oh, come on in.
Sure.
Yep, Rick.
Rick. And then just a signature on that line. Ineligible for tips, huh? That order was $5. Yeah, I don't know if I'm sold on this whole earn by time thing when I'm getting scammed like that. This one might be a mistake. I mean, the last one was definitely a mistake, but this one might be as well. We got a voodoo donut going 9 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, have a great one.
You too. It says, please ring the bell upon drop off. Thank you. I can do that. Total ended up being about $13. We gotta Seize the Bagel. This one's going 2.5 miles. I'm gonna get like no pay out of this. I already know, but whatever. Hello. Yeah, for Katie.
Katie out?
Yes. Thank you. Hello. I just got a drop off for Katie.
Yeah. Thank you.
Have a good day. That order ended up being $6 and some change, and I got the next one right away. This is gonna be for Starbucks, going less than a mile.
All right, hon. Here you go.
Thank you.
Golden.
Hello.
Good morning.
Morning. Just dropping off for Cassandra.
Yeah.
There you are. Don't even know how much I got paid for that because there was no service in the elevator. And by the time I got service again, it was just showing me the map saying that I was looking for orders. So who knows? Just got the next order. This is for Del Taco. This is going 5 miles. It says we've got 42 items on this order. 2 are burritos, and 40 of them being, I'm assuming this is hot sauce, which I highly doubt you're getting 40 hot sauce packets, my guy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Nice. 0 tip, by the way. I don't like that people just get away with tipping 0. I don't even know if I mentioned the total because I was so annoyed, but it was like $4 and change. Like, come on, bro. Finally got the next order. This is gonna be for Black Rock Coffee. It's gonna go just under 2 miles. I'm not really a fan of these low mileage offers in this case because they are more likely not to tip. Robert?
Yep. Here you are. Have a good one.
And it's only 1 drink? Yeah, I'm guessing this guy did not tip at all. And of course, it's upstairs. $4 tip. Okay. I mean, that order was still only $6 and some change, but at least they tipped. Just got the next order. This is gonna be Wendy's, going 3.5 miles. Thank you. Leave at my door. There's no house number. Okay, gotcha. Total ended up being $6 and some change. I feel like these orders are lower paid, but they're keeping me a lot busier, so I guess that's a trade-off. I don't know if I like it yet. I still seem to be on pace somehow, but I think the mileage might be a little higher than I want it to be. Just got the next order. This is gonna be for Chick-fil-A. We are heading 6.5 miles. Yep. Thank you.
Yeah, my pleasure. Enjoy your day.
Well, that was like a 10-minute wait, but luckily I'm getting paid for it. So can I even be mad about it? I don't know. Hello. Hello.
You got your chicken. Say thank you.
Got it?
Got it. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Come on.
Total ended up being $11 for that order. Oh, that sucks. It ended my dash because apparently you can only decline 1 order per hour doing that. So I think that means I'm calling it here unless I get an Uber Eats order. Yeah, it looks like I'm calling it. Current time is 10:44. Total is going to be 74. But anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.